Hari Bol, Dandat Pranam. So, I was reciting Sri Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita of Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. So, before starting today, let me pray to Srila Gurudev, to the Guru Parampara, to the Supreme Lord and His loving associates. Om Ajnanatimirandhasya ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाखया चक्षुरुन्मिलितमेन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। हे कृष्णा करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेशा गोपिका कान्ता राधा कांता नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी ऋषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरि प्रिये। श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। So Sri Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita of Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, Madhya Leela, Chapter 11. Now I am going to recite from text 1 to 8. Ati uddandam tandavam gaurachandraha kurvan bhaktai Sri Jagannatha gehe nana bhavalankritangaha swadhamna चक्रे विश्वम प्रेम वन्या निमग्नम। जय जय श्री चैतन्य, जय नित्यानंद, जय अद्वैत चंद्र, जय गौर भक्त वृंद। आर दिन सार्वभौम कहे प्रभु स्थाने अभय दान देहो यदि करी निवेदने। प्रभु कहे कहो तुम्ही नाही किछु भय, योग्य हईले करीबा अयोग्य हईले नय। सार्वभौम कहे यही प्रताप रुद्र राय, उत्कंठा हैया छे तोमा मिली बारे चाय। करणे हस्त दिया प्रभु स्मरे नारायण, सार्वभौम कहो केने अयोग्य वचन। विरक्त सन्यासी आमार राज दर्शन, स्त्री दर्शन सम विशेर भक्षण। निष्किंचनस्य भगवद भजनोन्मुखस्य पारम परम जिगमिसोर भवसागरस्य संदर्शनम विषयिनाम अथ योषिताम च हा हंता विषभक्षणतो अपि असाधु। ट्रांसलेशन: Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu merged the entire world into the ocean of ecstatic love by performing his beautiful dances within the temple of Jagannath. He danced exhaustively and jumped high. All glories to Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all glories to Lord Nityananda Prabhu, all glories to Sri Advaita Prabhu, and all glories to all the devotees of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. The next day, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya requested Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to give him permission to submit a statement without fear. The Lord gave the Bhattacharya assurance that he could speak without fear, but added that if his statement were suitable, he would accept it, and if it were not, he would reject it. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya said, "There is a king named Pratapa Rudra Rai. He is very anxious to meet you, and he wants your permission." As soon as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu heard this proposal, he immediately covered his ears with his hands and said, "My dear Sarvabhauma, why are you requesting such an undesirable thing from me? Since I am in the renounced order, It is as dangerous for me to meet a king as to meet a woman. To meet either would be just like drinking poison. Greatly lamenting, the Lord then informed Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, alas, for a person who is seriously desiring to cross the material ocean and engage in the transcendental loving service of the Lord without material motives, seeing a materialist engaged in sense gratification or seeing a woman who is similarly interested is more abominable than drinking poison willingly. Text 9 to 12. सार्वभौम कहे सत्य तोमार वचन, जगन्नाथ सेवक राजा किंतु भक्तोत्तम। प्रभु कहे तथापि राजा काल सर्पाकार, काष्ट नारी स्पर्शे जैसे उपजे विकार। आकारादपि भेतव्यम स्त्रीणाम विषयिणाम अपि, यथा हेर मनसः क्षोभस तथा तस्याकृतेरपि। ऐछे बात पुनरपि मुखे ना आनिबे, कहो यदि तबे आमाय एथा ना देखिबे। Translation. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya replied, My dear Lord, what you have said is correct, but this king is not an ordinary king. He is a great devotee and servant of Lord Jagannath. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, although it is correct that the king is a great devotee, he is still to be considered a venomous snake. Similarly, even though a woman be made of wood, one becomes agitated simply by touching her form. Just as one is immediately frightened upon seeing a live serpent or even the form of a serpent, one endeavoring for self-realization should similarly fear a materialistic person and a woman. Indeed, he should not even glance at their bodily features. Bhattacharya, if you continue to speak like this, you will never see me here again. Therefore, you should never let such a request come from your mouth. Text 13 to 21. भय पाया सार्वभौम निज घरे गेला, वासाए गिया भट्टाचार्य चिंतित हैला। हेन काले प्रताप रुद्र पुरुषोत्तम आइला, पात्र मित्र संगे राजा दर्शने चलीला। रामानंद राय आइला गजपति संगे, प्रथमे ही प्रभु रे आसी मिलीला बहुरंगे। राय प्रणति कैला प्रभु कैला आलिंगन, दुई जने प्रेमावेशे करे न क्रंदन। राय संगे प्रभुर देखी स्नेह व्यवहार, सर्व भक्त गणेर मने हैला चमत्कार। राय कहे तोमार आज्ञा राजा के कहिल, तोमार इच्छाए राजा मोर विषय छाड़ाई। आमी कही आमा है ते ना है विषय, चैतन्य चरणे रहो यदि आज्ञा है। तोमार नाम सुनी राजा आनंदित हैला, आसन हैते उठी मोरे आलिंगन कैला। तोमार नाम सुनी हैला महाप्रेम आवेश, मोर हाथे धरी करे प्रीति विशेष। Translation. Being afraid, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya returned home and began to meditate on the matter. At this time, Maharaj Pratap Rudra arrived at Jagannath Puri. Purushottam, and accompanied by his secretaries, ministers and military officers, went to visit the temple of Lord Jagannath. When King Pratap Rudra returned to Jagannath Puri, Ramananda Rai came with him. Ramananda Rai immediately went to meet Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with great pleasure. Upon meeting Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Ramananda Rai offered his obeisances The Lord embraced him, and both of them began to cry in the great ecstasy of love. Seeing Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's intimate dealings with Sri Ramananda Rai, all the devotees there were astonished. Ramananda Rai said, I duly informed King Pratap Rudra of your order for me to retire from service. By your grace, the king was pleased to relieve me of these material activities. I said, Your Majesty, I am now not willing to engage in political activities. I desire only to stay at the lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Kindly give me permission. When I submitted this proposal, the king immediately became very pleased upon hearing your name. Indeed, he instantly rose from his throne and embraced me. My dear Lord, as soon as the king heard your holy name, he was immediately overwhelmed by great ecstatic love. Catching my hand, he displayed all the symptoms of love. Text 22 to 30. तोमार जे वर्तन तुम्ही खाओ से वर्तन निश्चिंत हया भज चैतन्य चरण आमी छार योग्य नहीं तार दर्शने तारे जय भजे तार सफल जीवने परम कृपालु तेहो ब्रजेंद्र नंदन कौन जन्मे मोरे अवश्य दिबे न दर्शन जे ताहार प्रेम आरती देखिलूं तो माते तार एक प्रेम लेश नाही का आमाते प्रभु कहे तुम्ही कृष्ण भक्त प्रधान तोमा के जे प्रीति करे से ही भाग्यवान तोमाते जे एत प्रीति हैला राजार ए गुणे कृष्ण तारे करीबे अंगीकार ये मे भक्त जनाः पार्था न मे भक्तश्च ते जनाः मद भक्तानां च ये भक्तास् ते मे भक्त तमामतः आदरः परिचर्यायां सर्वांगैर अभिवंदनम मद भक्त पूजा व्याधिका सर्वभूतेषु मन्मति ही मद अर्थेष्व अंग चेष्टा च वचसा मद गुणेरणम मयि अर्पणम च मनसः सर्व काम विवर्जनम. Translation. As soon as he heard my petition, he immediately granted me a pension without reductions. Thus the king granted me a full salary as a pension and requested me to engage without anxiety in the service of your lotus feet. Then Maharaj Prataparudra very humbly said, I am most fallen and abominable, and I am unfit to receive an interview with the Lord. One's life is successful if one engages in his service. The king then said, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna, the son of Maharaj Nanda. He is very merciful, and I hope that in a future birth he will allow me an interview. My Lord, I don't think that there is even a fraction of Maharaj Pratap Rudra's loving ecstasy in me. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then said, My dear Ramananda Rai, you are the foremost of all the devotees of Krishna. Therefore, whoever loves you is certainly a very fortunate person. Because the king has shown so much love for you, Lord Krishna will certainly accept him. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu quoted a verse from Adi Puran. The meaning is, Lord Krishna told Arjuna, those who are my direct devotees are actually not my devotees. But those who are the devotees of my servant are factually my devotees. Then he quoted from Srimad Bhagavatam, 11th canto, 19th chapter, verse 21-22. The meaning is, my devotees take great care and respect in rendering my service. They offer obeisances to me with all their bodily limbs. They worship other devotees and find all living entities related to me. For me, they engage the entire energy of their bodies. They engage the power of speech in the glorification of my qualities and form. They also dedicate their minds unto me and try to give up all kinds of material desires. Thus my devotees are characterized. Text 31 to 34. आराधनानां सर्वेषां विष्णुराराधनं परं तस्मात् परतरं देवी ताड्यानां सम अर्चनम दूरापाहि अल्प तपसः सेवा वैकुंठ वर्तमसु यत्रोपगीयते नित्यम देवदेवो जनार्दन। पूरी भारती गोसाई स्वरूप नित्यानंद जगदानंद मुकुंद आदि जत भक्त वृंद चारी गोसाई कैल राय चरण वंदन यथा योग्य सब भक्तर करीला मिलन। Translation. Now Lord quoted from Padma Puran, Lord Shiva told the goddess Durga, my dear Devi, although the Vedas recommend worship of gods and goddesses, the worship of Lord Vishnu is topmost. However, above the worship of Lord Vishnu is the rendering of service to Vaishnavas who are related to Lord Vishnu. Then he quoted from Srimad Bhagavatam 3:7-20, those whose austerity is meager can hardly obtain the service of the pure devotees, progressing on the path back to the kingdom of Godhead, the Vaikunthas. Pure devotees engage 100% in glorifying the Supreme Lord, who is the Lord of the gods and goddesses and controller of all living entities. Paramanandapuri, Brahmananda Bharati Gosai, Swarupa Damodar Gosai, Lord Nityananda, Jagadananda Mukunda and others were present before the Lord at the time. Sri Ramananda Rai therefore offered his obeisances to all the Lord's devotees, in particular to the four spiritual masters. Thus Ramananda Rai suitably met all the devotees. Text 35 to 41. प्रभु कहे राय देखिले कमल नयन, राय कहे एबे जाई पाइब दर्शन। प्रभु कहे राय तुम्ही की कार्य करिले, ईश्वरे ना देखी केने आगे था आइले। राय कहे चरण रथ हृदय सारथी, जहाँ लई जाए तहाँ जाए जीवरथी। आमी के करीबा मन यहाँ लैया आइला, जगन्नाथ दर्शने विचार ना कैला। प्रभु कहे शीघ्र गिया कर दर्शन, ऐसे घर जाई कर कुटुंब मिलन। प्रभु आज्ञा पाइया राय चलीला दर्शने, रायर प्रेम भक्ति रीति बुझे कौन जने। क्षेत्र आसी राजा सार्वभौमे बोलाइला, सार्वभौमे नमस्करी तहार पूछिला। मोर लागी प्रभु पदे कैला निवेदन, सार्वभौम कहे कहिनो अनेक यतन। Translation. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu next asked Ramananda Rai, have you already visited the temple of the lotus-eyed Lord Jagannath? Ramananda Rai replied, I shall now go visit the temple. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu replied, what have you done, my dear Rai? Why did you not first see Lord Jagannath and then come here? Why have you come here first? Ramananda Rai said, the legs are like the chariot and the heart is like the charioteer. Wherever the heart takes the living entity is obliged to go. Sri Ramananda Rai continued, what shall I do? My mind has brought me here. I could not consider going first to Lord Jagannath's temple. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu advised, immediately go to Lord Jagannath's temple to see the Lord, then go home and meet your family members. Having received Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's permission, Ramananda Rai hastily went to the temple of Lord Jagannath. Who can understand the devotional service of Rai Ramanand? When King Pratap Rudra returned to Jagannath Puri, he called for Sarvabhaum Bhattacharya. When the Bhattacharya went to see him, the king offered him respects and made the following inquiries. The king asked, have you submitted my petition to the Lord? Sarvabhauma replied, yes, with much endeavor I have tried my best. Text 43 to 49. तथापि न करे तेहों राजा दर्शन, क्षेत्र छाड़ी जाबेन पुनः यदि करी निवेदन। सुनिया राजार मने दुख उपजिल, विषाद करिया किछु कहिते लागिल। पापी नीच उद्धारिते तार अवतार, जगाई मधाई तेहो करिला उद्धार। प्रताप रुद्र छाड़ी करिबे जगत निस्तार, यही प्रतिज्ञा करी करिया छेन अवतार। अदर्शनीयान अपि नीच जातिन, संवीक्षते हंत तथापि न माम। मद एक वर्जम कृपयिष्यतीति, निर्णया किम सो अवततर देवः। तार प्रतिज्ञा मोरे ना करिबे दर्शन, मोर प्रतिज्ञा ताहा बिना छाड़िब जीवन। यदि से महाप्रभुर ना पाई कृपा धन, किबा राज्य किबा देह सब अकारण। Translation. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya continued, "Yet despite my great endeavor, the Lord would not agree to see a king. Indeed, he said that if he were asked again, he would quit Jagannath Puri and go elsewhere." Hearing this, the king became very unhappy and greatly lamenting began to speak as follows. The king said, "Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has descended just to deliver all kinds of sinful, low-born persons. Consequently, he has delivered sinners like Jagai and Madhai. Alas, has Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu incarnated to deliver all kinds of sinners with the exception of a king named Maharaj Prataparudra? Alas, has Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu made his advent deciding that he will deliver all others with the exception of me? He bestows his merciful glance upon many lower class men who are usually not even to be seen." Maharaj Prataparudra continued, "If Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is determined not to see me, then I am determined to give up my life if I do not see him. If I do not receive Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy, my body and my kingdom are certainly useless." Text 50 to 54. "एत सुनी सार्वभौम महिला चिंतित, राजार अनुराग देखी हैला विस्मित। भट्टाचार्य कहे, देव ना कर विषाद, तुम्हारे प्रभुर अवश्य हैबे प्रसाद। तेहो प्रेमाधीन, तोमार प्रेम गाढ़ तर, अवश्य करिबेन कृपा तोमार ऊपर। तथापि कहिए आमी एक उपाय, यही उपाय करो प्रभु देखिब जहाँ। रथ यात्रा दिने प्रभु सब भक्त लैया, रथ आगे नृत्य करिबेन प्रेमाविष्ट हैया." Translation. Hearing King Pratap Rudra's determination, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya became thoughtful. Indeed, he was very much astonished to see the king's determination. Finally, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya said, "My dear king, do not worry. Because of your firm determination, I am sure that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy will definitely be bestowed upon you." As soon as the Bhattacharya saw the king's firm determination, he declared, "The Supreme Lord is approached only by pure love. Your love for Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is very, very deep. Therefore, without a doubt, he will be merciful upon you." Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya then suggested, "There is one means by which you can directly see him. On the day of the car festival, Rath Yatra, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will dance before the deity in great ecstatic love." Text 55 to 60. "प्रेमावेशे पुष्पोद्याने करिबेन प्रवेश, से काले एकले तुमी छाड़ी राजवेश। कृष्ण रास पंचाध्याय करीते पठन एकले जाई महाप्रभुर धरिबे चरण। बाह्य ज्ञान नाही से काले कृष्ण नाम सुनी आलिंगन करीबे न तोमाए वैष्णव जानी। रामानंद राय आजी तोमार प्रेम गुण प्रभु आगे कहिते प्रभुर फिरी गेल मन। सुनी गजपतिर मने सुख उपजिल प्रभुरे मिलीते ए मंत्रणा दृढ़ कई। स्नान यात्रा कबे हबे पूछिला भट्टेरे भट्ट कहे 3 दिन आछये यात्रा रे। ट्रांसलेशन। On that Rath Yatra festival day, after dancing before the Lord, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will enter the Gundicha garden. At that time you should go there alone without your royal dress. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu enters the Gundicha garden, you should also go there and read the 5 chapters of Srimad Bhagavatam about Lord Krishna's dancing with the gopis. In this way, you can catch hold of the Lord's lotus feet. Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will be in a mood of ecstatic love without external consciousness. At that time, as you recite those chapters from Srimad Bhagavatam, he will embrace you, knowing you to be a pure Vaishnava. The Lord has already changed his mind due to Ramananda Raya's description of your pure love for him. Maharaj Pratap Rudra took the Bhattacharya's advice and firmly decided to follow his instructions. Thus he felt transcendental happiness. When the king asked the Bhattacharya when the bathing ceremony Snana Yatra of Lord Jagannath would take place, the Bhattacharya replied that there were only 3 days left before the ceremony. Text 61 to 68. राजा रे प्रबोधिया भट्ट गेला निजालय, स्नान यात्रा दिने प्रभुर आनंद हृदय। स्नान यात्रा देखी प्रभुर हईल बड़ा सुख, ईश्वरेर अनवसरे पाइला बड़ दुख। गोपी भावे विरहे प्रभु व्याकुल हइया, आलाल नाथे गेला प्रभु सबारे छाड़िया। पाछे प्रभुर निकट आइला भक्तगण, गौड़ हईते भक्त आइसे कैला निवेदन। सार्वभौम नीलाचले आइला प्रभु लैया, प्रभु आइला राजा ठाई कहिलेन गिया। हेन काले आइला तथा गोपीनाथ आचार्य, राजा के आशीर्वाद करी कहे सुन भट्टाचार्य। गौड़ हईते वैष्णव आसीते छेन 200 महाप्रभुर भक्त सब महाभागवत। नरेंद्र आसिया सबे हईल विद्यमान, ता सबारे चाही वासा प्रसाद समाधान। Translation. After thus encouraging the king, Sarvabhaum Bhattacharya returned home. On the day of Lord Jagannath's bathing ceremony, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was very happy at heart. Upon seeing the bathing ceremony of Lord Jagannath, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu became very happy. But when Lord Jagannath retired after the ceremony, Lord Chaitanya became very unhappy because he could not see him. Due to separation from Lord Jagannath, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu felt the same great anxiety the gopis feel in separation from Krishna. In this condition, he gave up all association and went to Alalnath. The devotees who had followed the Lord came into his presence and requested him to return to Puri. They submitted that the devotees from Bengal were coming to Purushottama Kshetra. In this way, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya brought Lord Chaitanya back to Jagannath Puri. He then went to King Pratap Rudra and informed him of the Lord's arrival. At this time, Gopinath Acharya came there while Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya was with King Prataprudra. Being a Brahmin, he offered his benediction to the king and addressed Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya as follows. About 200 devotees are coming from Bengal. All of them are greatly advanced and specifically devoted to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. All of them have already arrived on the bank of Lake Narendra and are waiting there. I desire residential quarters and prasadam arrangements for them. Text 69 to 78. राजा कहे पड़ीछा के आमी आज्ञा दिबा, वासा आदि जे चाहिए पड़ीछा सब दिबा। महाप्रभुर्गण जत आइला गौड़ हिते, भट्टाचार्य एके एके देखाओ आमाते। भट्ट कहे अट्टालिकाए कर आरोहण, गोपीनाथ चीने सबारे करावे दर्शन। आमी काहो नाही चीनी, चीनी ते मन है, गोपीनाथ आचार्य सबारे कराइबे परिचय। एत बलि तीन जन अट्टालिकाए चढ़ीला, हेन काले वैष्णव सब निकटे आइला। दामोदर स्वरूप गोविंद दुई जन, माला प्रसाद लैया जाए जहाँ वैष्णवगण। प्रथमे ते महाप्रभु पाठाइला दुहारे, राजा कहे ई दुई कौन चिना हो हमारे। भट्टाचार्य कहे यही स्वरूप दामोदर, महाप्रभु है इहो द्वितीय कलेवर। द्वितीय गोविंद भृत्य यहाँ दोहा दिया, माला पठाई छेन प्रभु गौरव करिया। आदव माला अद्वैते रे स्वरूप पराइला, पाचे गोविंद द्वितीय माला आनी तारे दिला। Translation. The king replied, I shall give orders to the attendant in the temple. He will arrange for everyone's residential quarters and prasadam as you desire. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, please show me one after another all of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's devotees who are coming from Bengal. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya requested the king, go up on the roof of the palace. Gopinath Acharya knows every one of the devotees. He will identify them for you. Actually, I do not know any of them, although I have a desire to know them. Since Gopinath Acharya knows them all, he will give you their names. After Sarvabhauma said this, he went up to the top of the palace with the king and Gopinath Acharya. At this time, all the Vaishnava devotees from Bengal drew closer to the palace. Swarupa Damodara and Govinda, taking the flower garlands and prasadam of Lord Jagannath, proceeded to where all the Vaishnavas were standing. Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu first sent those two persons in advance. The king inquired, who are these two? Please let me know their identities. Sri Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya replied, here is Swarupa Damodar, who is practically the second expansion of the body of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. The second person is Govind, Lord Chaitanya's personal servant. The Lord has sent garlands and remnants of Lord Jagannath's food with these two persons simply to honor the devotees from Bengal. At the beginning, Swarupa Damodar came forward and garlanded Advaita Acharya. Govinda next came and offered a second garland to Advaita Acharya. Text 79 to 87. तबे गोविंद दंडवत कैला आचार्य रे, तारे नाही चीने आचार्य पूछिला दामोदरे। दामोदर कहे यहाँ गोविंद नाम, ईश्वरपुरी र सेवक अति गुणवान। प्रभुर सेवा करिते पूरी आज्ञा दिला, अतैव प्रभु यहाँ के निकटे रखिला। राजा कहे जारे माला दिला दुई जन, आश्चर्य तेज बड़ महांत कौन कहा कौन जन। आचार्य कहे यहाँ नाम अद्वैत आचार्य, महाप्रभुर मान्य पात्र सर्व शिरोधार्य श्रीवास पंडित इहो पंडित वक्रेश्वर विद्यानिधि आचार्य इहो पंडित गदाधर आचार्य रत्न इहो पंडित पुरंदर गंगादास पंडित इहो पंडित शंकर ए मुरारी गुप्त इहो पंडित नारायण हरिदास ठाकुर इहो भुवन पावन ए हरिभट्ट ए श्री नरसिम्हानंद ए वासुदेव दत्त ए शिवानंद। Translation. When Govind offered his obeisances by falling down flat before Advaita Acharya, Advaita Acharya asked Swarupa Damodar about his identity, for he did not know Govind at that time. Swarupa Damodar informed him, Govind was the servant of Ishwarapuri, he is very highly qualified. Ishwarapuri ordered Govind to serve Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, thus the Lord keeps him by his side. The king inquired, to whom did Swarupa Damodar and Govind offer the two garlands? His bodily effulgence is so great that he must be a very great devotee. Please let me know who he is. Gopinath Acharya replied, his name is Advaita Acharya. He is honored even by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and he is therefore the topmost devotee. Here are Srivas Pandit, Vakreshwar Pandit, Vidyanidhi Acharya and Gadadhar Pandit. Here are Acharya Ratna, Purandar Pandit, Gangadas Pandit and Shankar Pandit. Here are Murari Gupta, Pandit Narayan and Haridas Thakur, the deliverer of the whole universe. Here is Hari Bhatta and there is Narsimhananda. Here are Vasudeva Dutt and Shivananda Sena. Text 88 to 93. Govinda Madhav Ghosh, Ei Vasu Ghosh, तीन भाईर कीर्तने प्रभु पायन संतोष। राघव पंडित इहो आचार्य नंदन, श्रीमान पंडित यही श्रीकांत नारायण। शुक्लांबर देखो ए श्रीधर विजय, वल्लभ सेन ए पुरुषोत्तम संजय। कुलीन ग्रामवासी ए सत्यराज खान, रामानंद आदि सभे देख विद्यमान। मुकुंद दास नरहरि श्री रघुनंदन, खंडवासी चिरंजीव आर सुलोचन। कतेक कहिबा ए देख जत जन, चैतन्य गण सब चैतन्य जीवन। Translation. Here also are Govinda Ghosh, Madhav Ghosh and Vasudev Ghosh. They are three brothers and their Sankirtan, congregational chanting pleases the Lord very much. Here is Raghav Pandit, here is Acharya Nandan, there is Sriman Pandit and here are Srikant and Narayan. Gopinath Acharya continued to point out the devotees. Here is Shuklambar, see there is Sridhar, here is Vijay and there is Vallabh Sen, here is Purushottam and there is Sanjay. And here are all the residents of Kulinagram such as Satyaraj Khan and Ramanand. Indeed all of them are present here, please see. Here are Mukunda Das, Narahari, Sri Raghunandan, Chiranjiva and Sulochan, all residents of Sri Khanda. How many names shall I speak to you? All the devotees you see here are associates of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is their life and soul. Text 94 to 99. राजा कहे देखी मोर हैल चमत्कार, वैष्णवे रैचे तेज देखी नाही आर। कोटि सूर्य सम सब उज्ज्वल वरण, कभू नाही सुनी ऐ मधुर कीर्तन। ऐछे प्रेम ऐछे नृत्य ऐछे हरिध्वनि, कहाँ नाही देखी ऐछे कहाँ नाही सुनी। भट्टाचार्य कहे ऐ मधुर वचन, चैतन्य सृष्टि ऐ प्रेम संकीर्तन। अवतरी चैतन्य कैला धर्म प्रचारण, कली काले धर्म कृष्ण नाम संकीर्तन। संकीर्तन यज्ञ तारे करे आराधन, सहित सुमेध आर कलिहत जन। Translation. The king said, upon seeing all these devotees, I am very much astonished, for I have never seen such an effulgence. Indeed, their effulgence is like the brilliance of a million suns, nor have I ever heard the Lord's names chanted so melodiously. I have never before seen such ecstatic love, nor heard the vibration of the holy name of the Lord chanted in such a way, nor seen such dancing during Sankirtan. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya replied, this sweet transcendental sound is a special creation of the Lord known as Prema Sankirtan, congregational chanting in love of Godhead. In this age of Kali, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has descended to preach the religion of Krishna consciousness. Therefore, the chanting of the holy names of Lord Krishna is the religious principle for this age. Anyone who worships Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu by congregational chanting should be understood to be very intelligent. One who does not do so must be considered a victim of this age and bereft of all intelligence. Text 100 to 103. Krishna Varnam Tvisha Krishnam Sangopangastra Parshadam Yagnahi Sankirtana Prayair Yajantihi Sumedhasaha. Raja kahe Shastra Pramane Chaitanya hai Krishna तबे केने पंडित सब तहाते वितृष्ण. भट्ट कहे तार कृपा लेश है जारे सही से तहारे कृष्ण करी लईते पारे. तार कृपा नहीं जारे पंडित नहीं केने देखी ले सुनी ले हो तारे ईश्वर ना माने. ट्रांसलेशन. In the age of Kali, intelligent persons perform congregational chanting to worship the incarnation of Godhead, who constantly sings the name of Krishna. Although his complexion is not blackish, he is Krishna himself. He is accompanied by his associates, servants, weapons, and confidential companions. The king said, according to evidence given in the revealed scriptures, it is concluded that Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Lord Krishna himself. Why then are learned scholars sometimes indifferent to him? The Bhattacharya replied, a person who has received but a small fraction of mercy from Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu can understand that he is Lord Krishna, no one else can. If the mercy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is not bestowed upon a person, regardless of how learned a scholar that person may be, and regardless of his seeing or listening, he cannot accept Lord Chaitanya as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Text 104 to 112. Athapi te deva padambuja dvaya prasad leshanugrahita evahi janati tattvam bhagwan mahimno न चान्य एक अपि चिरम विचिन्वन. राजा कहे सबे जगन्नाथ ना देखिया चैतन्यर वासा ग्रहे चलिला धाइया. भट्ट कहे एत स्वाभाविक प्रेम रीत महाप्रभु मिली बारे उत्कंठित चित्त. आगे तारे मिली सबे तार संगे लैया तार संगे जगन्नाथ देखी बेन गिया. राजा कहे भवानंदेर पुत्र वाणीनाथ प्रसाद लैया संगे चले 5-7. महाप्रभुर आलये करीला गमन एत महाप्रसाद चाही कहो की कारण. भट्ट कहे भक्तगण आइला जानिया प्रभुर इंगीते प्रसाद जाय तारे लैया. राजा कहे उपवास क्षौर तीर्थेर विधान ताहा ना करिया केने खाइबा अन्न पान भट्ट कहे तुमी जे कह सेई विधि धर्म एई राग मार्गे आचे सूक्ष्म धर्म मर्म. Translation: Here Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya quoted from Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto 14th chapter 29th verse. The meaning is, Lord Brahma said, "My Lord, if one is favored by even a slight trace of the mercy of your lotus feet, he can understand the greatness of your personality. But those who speculate to understand the Supreme Personality of Godhead are unable to know you, even though they continue to study the Vedas for many years." The king said, "Instead of visiting the temple of Lord Jagannath, all the devotees are running towards the residence of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu." Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya replied, "This is spontaneous love. All the devotees are very anxious to meet Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. First, the devotees will meet Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and then take him with them to the temple to see Lord Jagannath." The king said, "The son of Bhavananda Rai, named Vaninath, along with 5 or 7 other men, went there to obtain the remnants of Lord Jagannath's food. Indeed, Vaninath has already gone to the residence of Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and has taken a huge quantity of Mahaprasadam. Please let me know the reason for this." Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya said, "Understanding that all the devotees have come, Lord Chaitanya gave the sign, and therefore Vaninath and the others have brought such great quantities of Mahaprasad." The king then asked the Bhattacharya, "Why have the devotees not observed the regulations for visiting the pilgrimage place, such as fasting, shaving, and so on? Why have they first eaten the prasadam?" The Bhattacharya told the king, "What you have said is right according to the regulative principles governing the visiting of holy places. But there is another path, which is the path of spontaneous love. According to those principles, there are subtle intricacies involved in the execution of religious principles." Text 113 to 118. ईश्वरेर परोक्ष आज्ञा क्षौर उपासना प्रभुर साक्षात आज्ञा प्रसाद भोजन. ताहा उपवास यहाँ नाही महाप्रसाद, प्रभु आज्ञा प्रसाद त्यागे है अपराध. विशेषे श्री हस्ते प्रभु करी परिवेशन, एत लाभ छाड़ी कौन करे उपोषण. पूर्वे प्रभु मोरे प्रसाद अन्न आनी दिला, प्राते शय्याए वसी आमी से अन्न खाइला. जारे कृपा करी करेन हृदय प्रेरणा, कृष्णाश्रय है छाड़े वेद लोक धर्म. यदा यम अनुगृह्णन्ति भगवान आत्म भावितः, स जहाति मतिम लोके वेदे च परिनिष्ठिताम. Translation: The scriptural injunctions for shaving and fasting are indirect orders of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. However, when there is a direct order from the Lord to take prasadam, naturally the devotees take prasadam as their first duty. When Mahaprasadam is not available, there must be fasting. But when the Supreme Personality of Godhead directly orders one to take prasadam, neglecting such an opportunity is offensive. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is distributing prasadam with his transcendental hand, who will neglect such an opportunity and accept the regulative principle of fasting? Previously, the Lord gave me Mahaprasadam rice one morning, and I ate it just sitting on my bed without having even washed my mouth. The man to whom the Lord shows his mercy by inspiring him within the heart takes shelter only of Lord Krishna and abandons all Vedic and social customs. When one is inspired by the Lord who is sitting in everyone's heart, he does not care for social custom or Vedic regulative principles. Text 119 to 127. तबे राजा अट्टालिका हैते तलेते आइला, काशी मिश्र पड़ीछा पात्र दूहे आनाइला। प्रताप रुद्र आज्ञा दिला सेई दुई जने, प्रभु स्थाने आसिया छेन जत प्रभुर गणे। सबारे स्वच्छंद वासा स्वच्छंद प्रसाद स्वच्छंद दर्शन कराह्या, नहे जेन बाद। प्रभुर आज्ञा पालिह दुहे, सावधान हैया आज्ञा नहे तबु करिह इंगित बुझिया। एत बलि विदाय दिला सेई दुई जने, सार्वभौम देखिते आइला वैष्णव मिलने। गोपीनाथ आचार्य भट्टाचार्य सार्वभौम, दूरे रही देखे प्रभु वैष्णव मिलन। सिंह द्वार दाहिने छाड़ी सब वैष्णव गण, काशी मिश्र ग्रह पथे करिला गमन। हेन काले महाप्रभु निज गण संगे, वैष्णव मिलिला आसी पथे बहु रंगे। अद्वैत करीला प्रभुर चरण वंदन, आचार्य रे कैला प्रभु प्रेम आलिंगन। Translation. After this, King Pratap Rudra came down from the top of his palace to the ground and called for Kashi Mishra and the inspector of the temple. Maharaj Pratap Rudra then told both Kashi Mishra and the temple inspector, provide all the devotees and associates of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with comfortable residences, convenient eating facilities for prasadam, and convenient visiting arrangements at the temple so that there will not be any difficulty. The orders of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu must be carefully carried out. Although the Lord may not give direct orders, you are still to carry out his desires simply by understanding his indications. Saying this, the king gave them permission to leave. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya also went to see the assembly of all the Vaishnavas. From a distant place, Gopinath Acharya and Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya watched the meeting of all the Vaishnavas with Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Beginning from the right side of the lion gate or the main gate of the temple, all the Vaishnavas began to proceed towards the house of Kashi Mishra. In the meantime, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, accompanied by his personal associates, met all the Vaishnavas on the road with great jubilation. First, Advaita Acharya offered to the lotus feet of the Lord, and the Lord immediately embraced him in ecstatic love. Text 128 to 137. प्रेमानंदे हैला दुहे परम अस्थिर, समय देखिया प्रभु हैला किछु धीर। श्रीवास आदि करीला प्रभुर चरण वंदन, प्रत्येक करीला प्रभु प्रेम आलिंगन। एके एके सर्व भक्ते कैला संभाषण, सभा लैया अभ्यंतरे करीला गमन। मिश्रेरा आवास से ही है अल्प स्थान, असंख्य वैष्णव तहाँ आइला परिमाण। आपन निकटे प्रभु सभा वसाइला, आपनी श्रीहस्ते सबारे माल्य गंध दिला। भट्टाचार्य आचार्य तबे महाप्रभुर स्थाने, यथा योग्य मिलिला सभाकार सने। अद्वैते रे कहेन प्रभु मधुर वचने, आजी आमी पूर्ण हैलाम तोमार आगमने। अद्वैत कहे ईश्वरेर यही स्वभाव है, यद्यपि आपने पूर्ण सर्व ऐश्वर्यमय, तथापि भक्त संगे है सुखोल्लास, भक्त संगे करे नित्य विविध विलास। वासुदेव देखी प्रभु आनंदित हैया, तारे किछु कहे तार अंगे हस्त दिया। Translation. Indeed, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Advaita Acharya displayed agitation due to ecstatic love. Seeing the time and circumstance, however, After this, all the devotees headed by Srivas Thakur offered prayers to the lotus feet of the Lord, and the Lord embraced each and every one of them in great love and ecstasy. The Lord addressed all the devotees one after another and took all of them with him into the house. Since the residence of Kashi Mishra was insufficient, all the assembled devotees were very much overcrowded. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu made all the devotees sit at his side, and with his own hand he offered them garlands and sandalwood pulp. After this, Gopinath Acharya and Sarvabhaum Bhattacharya met all the Vaishnavas at the place of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in a befitting manner. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu addressed Advaita Acharya Prabhu, saying sweetly, "My dear sir, today I have become perfect because of your arrival." Advaita Acharya Prabhu replied, "This is a natural characteristic of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Although he is personally complete and full in all opulences, he takes transcendental pleasure in the association of his devotees, with whom he has a variety of eternal pastimes. As soon as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saw Vasudeva Datta, the older brother of Mukunda Datta, he immediately became very happy and placing his hand on his body, began to speak." Text 138 to 146. "Yadyapi Mukunda ama sange shishu haite, taha haite adhik sukh tomare dekhite. वासु कहे मुकुंद आदव पाइला तोमार संग, तोमार चरण पाइला से पुनर्जन्म। छोटा हैया मुकुंद एबे हैला आमार ज्येष्ठ, तोमार कृपा पात्र ताते सर्व गुणे श्रेष्ठ। पुनः प्रभु कहे, आमी तोमार निमित्ते दुई पुस्तक आनियाची दक्षिण हैते, स्वरूपेर ठाई आचे लोहो लहतो लिखिया, वासुदेव आनंदित पुस्तक पाइया। प्रत्येक वैष्णव सबे लिखिया लैला, क्रमे क्रमे दुई ग्रंथ सर्वत्र व्यापिला। श्रीवास आद्य कहे प्रभु करी महाप्रीत, तोमार चारी भाई रामी हैनु विकृत। श्रीवास कहेन केने कहो विपरीत, कृपा मूल्य चारी भाई हई तोमार कृत। शंकरे देखिया प्रभु कहे दामोदरे, स गौरव प्रीति आमार तोमार ऊपरे। Translation. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, "Although Mukund is my friend from childhood, I nonetheless take great pleasure in seeing you than in seeing him." Vasudeva replied, "Mukunda got your association in the beginning. As such, he has taken shelter at your lotus feet. That is his transcendental rebirth." Thus, Vasudeva Dutt admitted his inferiority to Mukund, his younger brother. Although Mukund is my junior, he said, he first received your favor. Consequently, he became transcendentally senior to me. Besides that, you are very much favored to Mukunda. Thus, he is superior in all good qualities. The Lord said, "For your sake only, I have brought 2 books from South India. The books are being kept with Swarupa Damodar, and you can get them copied." Hearing this, Vasudev became very glad. Indeed, each and every Vaishnava copied the 2 books. By and by, the 2 books, the Brahma Samhita and Sri Krishna Karnamrit, were broadcast all over India. The Lord addressed Srivas and his brothers with great joy and affection, saying, I am so obliged that I am purchased by you 4 brothers. Srivas then replied to the Lord, why are you speaking in a contradictory way? Rather, we 4 brothers have been purchased by your mercy. After seeing Shankar, the Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Damodar, my affection for you is on the platform of awe and reverence. Text 147 to 153. शुद्ध केवल प्रेम शंकर उपरे अतैव तोमार संगे राखो शंकरे। दामोदर कहे, शंकर छोटा आमा हैते एबे आमार बड़ भाई तोमार कृपाते। शिवानंदे कहे, प्रभु तोमार आमाते गाढ़ अनुराग है, जानी आगे हैते। सुनी शिवानंद सेन प्रेमाविष्ट हैया, दंडवत हैया पढ़े श्लोक पढ़िया। निमज्जतो अनंत भवार नवंतस, चिराय में कुलम इवसी लब्धः, त्वयापि लब्धम भगवान इदानीम, अनुत्तमम पात्रम इदम दयायाः। प्रथमे मुरारी गुप्त प्रभुरे नाम इलिया, बाहिरे ते पड़ी आछे दंडवत हैया। मुरारी ना देखिया प्रभु करे अन्वेषण, मुरारी लईते धाइया आइला बहुजन। Translation. Therefore keep your younger brother Shankar with you, because he is connected to me by pure unalloyed love. Damodar Pandit replied, Shankar is my younger brother, but from today he becomes my elder brother because of your special mercy upon him. Then turning towards Shivananda Sen, the Lord said, I know that from the very beginning your affection for me has been very great. Immediately upon hearing this, Shivananda Sen became absorbed in ecstatic love and fell down on the ground, offering obeisances to the Lord. He then began to recite the following verse, which is composed by Alabandaru Yamunacharya. The meaning is, O my Lord, O unlimited one, although I was merged in the ocean of naisance, I have now, after a long time, attained you just as one may attain the seashore. My dear Lord, by getting me, you have obtained the right person upon whom to bestow your causeless mercy. Murari Gupta at first did not meet the Lord, but rather remained outside the door, falling down like a stick to offer obeisances. When Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu could not see Murari amongst the devotees, he inquired about him. Thereupon, many people immediately went to Murari, running to take him to the Lord. Text 154 to 163. Trina dui guच्छा मुरारी दसने धरिया, महाप्रभु आगे गेला दैन्याधीन हैया। मुरारी देखिया प्रभु आइला मिलिते, पाछे भागे मुरारी लागिला कहिते। मोरे नाथ छुइया प्रभु मोहित पामर, तोमार स्पर्श योग्य नहीं पाप कलेवर। प्रभु कहे मुरारी कर दैन्य संवरण, तोमार दैन्य देखी मोर विदीर्ण है मन। एत बलि प्रभु तारे कैल आलिंगन, निकटे वसाया करे अंग सम्मार्जन। आचार्य रत्न विद्यानिधि पंडित गदाधर, गंगादास हरिभट्ट आचार्य पुरंदर, प्रत्येक सबार प्रभु करी गुणगान, पुनः पुनः आलिंगिया करिला सम्मान। सबारे सम्मानी प्रभुर हैला उल्लास, हरिदासे ना देखिया कहे कहाँ हरिदास। दूर हैते हरिदास गोसाई देखिया, राजपथ प्रांते पड़िया छे दंडवत हैया। मिलन स्थाने आसी प्रभुरे ना मिलिला, राजपथ प्रांते दूरे पड़िया रहिला. Translation. Thus Murari Gupta, catching two bunches of straw in his teeth, went before Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with humility and meekness. Upon seeing Murari come to meet him, Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went up to him, but Murari began to run away and speak as follows. My Lord, please do not touch me. I am most abominable and am not fit for you to touch because my body is sinful. The Lord said, My dear Murari, please restrain your unnecessary humility. My mind is disturbed to see your meekness. Saying this, the Lord embraced Murari and had him sit down by his side. The Lord then began to cleanse his body with his own hands. Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then again and again embraced all the devotees, including Acharya Ratna, Vidyanidhi, Pandit Gadadhar, Gangadas, Hari Bhatta and Acharya Purandar. The Lord described their good qualities and glorified them again and again. After thus offering respect to each and every devotee, Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu became very jubilant. However, not seeing Haridas Thakur, he inquired, Where is Haridas? Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then saw in the distance that Haridas Thakur was lying down flat on the road offering obeisances. Haridas Thakur did not come to the Lord's meeting place but remained fallen flat on the common road at a distance. Text 164 to 171. भक्त सब धाइया आइला हरिदास नीते, प्रभु तुम्हाय मिलीते चाहे चलहो तोरीते. हरिदास कहे मुई नीच जाति छार, मंदिर निकटे जायते मोर नाही अधिकार. निभृते तोटा मध्य स्थान यदि पाइया, तहाँ पड़ी रहो एकले काल गुआइया. जगन्नाथ सेवकेर मोर स्पर्श नाही है, तहाँ पड़ी रहो मोर यही वांछा है. यही कथा लोक गिया प्रभुरे कहिला, सुनिया प्रभुर मने बड़ सुख हैला. हेन काले काशी मिश्र पड़ीछा दुई जन, आसिया करिला प्रभुर चरण वंदन. सर्व वैष्णव देखी सुख बड़ पाइला, यथा योग्य सभा सने आनंद मिलिला. प्रभु पदे दुई जने कहिला निवेदन, आज्ञा देहो वैष्णवेर करी समाधाने. Translation. All the devotees then went to Haridas Thakur saying, The Lord wants to meet you. Please come immediately. Haridas Thakur replied, I cannot go near the temple because I am a low caste, abominable person. I have no authority to go there. Haridas Thakur then expressed his desire, if I could just get a solitary place near the temple, I could stay there alone and pass my time. I do not wish the servants of Lord Jagannath to touch me. I would remain there in the garden alone. That is my desire. When this message was relayed to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu by the people, the Lord became very happy to hear it. At this time, Kashi Mishra, along with the superintendent of the temple, came and offered his respects unto the lotus feet of Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Upon seeing all the Vaishnavas together, Kashi Mishra and the superintendent became very happy. With great happiness, they met with the devotees in a befitting manner. Both submitted to Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, please give us orders so that we may make proper arrangements to accommodate all the Vaishnavas. Text 172 to 178. Prabhu kahe Gopinath, Jaha Vaishnav Laiya, Jahan Jahan kahe Vasa, Tahan Deho Laiya. Mahaprasad Anna Deho Vaninath Stane, Sarva Vaishnaver Iho Karibe Samadhane. Amar Nikate Ei Pushpera Udhyane, एक खानी घर आछे परम निर्जने. से घर आमा के देहो आछे प्रयोजन निब्रते वसिया तहाँ करीबा स्मरण। मिश्र कहे सबा तोमार चाह की कारणे आपन इच्छाए लहो जेई तोमार मने आमी दुई हई तोमार दास आज्ञाकारी जे चाहो से आज्ञा देहो कृपा करी। Translation: Accommodations have been arranged for all the Vaishnavas. Now let us distribute Mahaprasadam to all of them. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu immediately told Gopinath Acharya, please go with the Vaishnavas and accommodate them in whatever residences Kashi Mishra and the temple superintendent offer. Then the Lord told Kashi Mishra and the temple superintendent, as for the remnants of food left by Jagannath, let them be delivered to Vaninath Rai's charge, for he can take care of all the Vaishnavas and distribute Mahaprasadam to them. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then said, nearby my place is this garden of flowers, is a single room that is very solitary. Please give that room to me, for I have a need for it. Indeed, I shall remember the lotus feet of the Lord sitting in that solitary place. Kashi Mishra then told Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, everything belongs to you. What is the use of your begging? By your own will you can take whatever you like. My Lord, we are your two servants and are here just to carry out your orders. By your mercy, please tell us to do whatever you want. Translation, text 179 to 187. एत कही दुई जने विदाय लैला गोपीनाथ वाणीनाथ दुहे संगे नीला। गोपीनाथे देखाइल सब वासागर वाणीनाथ थाई दिला प्रसाद विस्तार। वाणीनाथ आइला बहु प्रसाद पीठा लैया गोपीनाथ आइला वासा संस्कार करिया। महाप्रभु कहे सुन सर्व वैष्णवगण निज निज वासा सबे करह गमन। समुद्र स्नान करी कर चूड़ा दर्शन तबे आजी यहाँ आसी करीबे भोजन। प्रभु नमस्करी सबे वासाते चलीला गोपीनाथ आचार्य सबे वासा स्थान दिला। महाप्रभु आयला तबे हरिदास मिलने हरिदास करे प्रेमे नाम संकीर्तने। प्रभु देखी पड़े आगे दंडवत हैया प्रभु आलिंगन कैला तारे उठाइया। दुई जने प्रेमावेशे करे न क्रंदने प्रभु गुणे भृत्य विकल प्रभु भृत्य गुणे। Translation. Saying this, Kashi Mishra and the temple inspector took their leave and Gopinath and Vaninath went with them. Gopinath was then shown all the residential places and Vaninath was given large quantities of food Mahaprasadam left by Lord Jagannath. Thus Vaninath Rai returned with large quantities of Lord Jagannath's prasadam, including cakes and other good eatables. After cleansing all the residential quarters, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then addressed all the Vaishnavas and requested that they listen to him. He said, now you can go to your respective residential quarters. Go to the sea and bath and look at the top of the temple. After so doing, please come back here and take your lunch. After offering obeisances to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all the devotees departed for their residences and Gopinath Acharya showed them their respective quarters. After this, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went to meet Haridas Thakur and he saw him engaged in chanting the Mahamantra with ecstatic love. Haridas chanted Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. As soon as Haridas Thakur saw Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he immediately fell down like a stick to offer him obeisances, and Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu raised him up and embraced him. Then both the Lord and his servant began to cry in ecstatic love. Indeed, the Lord was transformed by the qualities of his servant and the servant was transformed by the qualities of his master. Text 188 to 192. हरिदास कहे प्रभु ना छोयो मोरे मोई नीच अस्पृश्य परम पामरे। प्रभु कहे तोमा स्पर्शी पवित्र हैते तोमार पवित्र धर्म नाही का आमाते। क्षणे क्षणे कर तुम्ही सर्व तीर्थ स्नान क्षणे क्षणे कर तुम्ही यज्ञ तपोदान। निरंतर कर चारि वेद अध्ययन द्विज न्यासी हैते तुम्ही परम पावन। अहो बत स्वपचो अतो गरियान यद जीवाग्रे वर्तते नाम तुभ्यम तेपोस तपस ते जुवु शस्नुरार्य ब्रह्मानुचुर नाम गृणंति येते। Translation. Haridas Thakur said, "My dear Lord, please do not touch me, for I am most fallen and untouchable and am the lowest among men." The Lord said, "I wish to touch you just to be purified, for your purified activities do not exist in me." Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu exalted Haridas Thakur, stating, "At every moment you take your bath in all the holy places of pilgrimage, and at every moment you perform great sacrifices, austerity and charity. You are constantly studying the four Vedas and you are far better than any Brahmana or Sannyasi." Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then recited the following verse: "My dear Lord, one who always keeps your holy name on his tongue becomes greater than an initiated Brahmin. Although he may be born in a family of dog eaters and therefore by material calculation may be the lowest among men, he is still glorious. This is the wonderful effect of chanting the holy name of the Lord. It is therefore concluded that one who chants the holy name of the Lord should be understood to have performed all kinds of austerities and great sacrifices mentioned in the Vedas. He has already taken his bath in all the holy places of pilgrimage. He has studied all the Vedas and he is actually an Aryan." Text 193 to 198. "एत बलि तारे लैया गेला पुष्पोद्याने अति निभृते तारे दिला वासा स्थाने। ए स्थाने रही कर नाम संकीर्तन प्रतिदिन आसी आमी करीब मिलन। मंदिरेर चक्र देखी करिह प्रणाम ए ठाई तोमार आसिबे प्रसाद अन्न। नित्यानंद जगदानंद दामोदर मुकुंद हरिदास मिली सबे पाइला आनंद। समुद्र स्नान करी प्रभु आइला निज स्थाने अद्वैतादि गेला सिंधु करीबारे स्नाने। आसी जगन्नाथेर कैल चूड़ा दर्शन प्रभुर आवासे आइला करीते भोजन." Translation. Saying this, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took Haridas Thakur within the flower garden, and there, in a very secluded place, he showed him his residence. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu requested Haridas Thakur, "Remain here and chant the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. I shall personally come here to meet you daily. Remain here peacefully and look at the chakra on the top of the temple and offer obeisances. As far as your prasadam is concerned, I shall arrange to have that sent here." When Nityananda Prabhu, Jagadananda Prabhu, Damodar Prabhu and Mukunda Prabhu met Haridas Thakur, they all became very pleased. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu returned to his residence after taking a bath in the sea, all the devotees headed by Advaita Prabhu went to bath in the sea. After bathing in the sea, Advaita Prabhu and all the other devotees returned, and on the return they saw the top of the Jagannath temple. They then went to the residence of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to take their lunch prasadam. Text 199 to 208. सबारे बसाइला प्रभु योग्य क्रम करी श्री हस्ते परिवेशन कैला गौरहरी अल्प अन्न नाही आयसे दीते प्रभुर हाथे दुई तेनेर अन्न देन एक एक पाते प्रभु ना खाइले केहो ना करे भोजन ऊर्ध्व हस्ते बसी रहे सर्व भक्तगण स्वरूप गोसाई प्रभु के कैला निवेदन तुम्ही ना बसीले केहो ना करे भोजन तोमा संगे रहे जत सन्यासीर गण गोपीनाथ आचार्य तारे करिया छे निमंत्रण आचार्य आसिया छेन भिक्षार प्रसादन लैया पूरी भारती आछेन तोमार अपेक्षा करिया नित्यानंद लैया भिक्षा करीते वैसा तुम्ही वैष्णवेर परिवेशन करीते छी आमी तबे प्रभु प्रसाद अन्न गोविंद हाथे दिला यत्न करी हरिदास ठाकुरे पठाईला आपने बसीला सब सन्यासीर लैया परिवेशन करे आचार्य हर्षित हैया स्वरूप गोसाई दामोदर जगदानंद वैष्णवेरे परिवेश तीन जने आनंद ट्रांसलेशन One after the other, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu made all the devotees sit in their proper places. He then began to distribute prasadam with his own transcendental hand. All the devotees were served prasadam on plantain leaves, and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu distributed on each leaf a quantity suitable for 2 or 3 men to eat, for his hand could not distribute less than that. All the devotees kept their hands raised over the prasadam distributed to them, for they did not want to eat without seeing the Lord eat first. Swarupa Damodar Goswami then informed Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, unless you sit and take prasadam, no one will accept it. Gopinath Acharya has invited all the sannyasis who remain with you to come and take prasadam. Gopinath Acharya has already come, bringing sufficient remnants of food to distribute to all the sannyasis, and sannyasis like Paramananda Puri and Brahmananda Bharati are waiting for you. You may sit down and accept the lunch with Nityananda Prabhu, and I shall distribute the prasadam to all the Vaishnavas. After this, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu carefully delivered some prasadam into the hands of Govind to be given to Haridas Thakur. Then Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu personally sat down to accept lunch with the other sannyasis, and Gopinath Acharya began to distribute the prasadam with great pleasure. Then Swarupa Damodar Goswami, Damodar Pandit and Jagadanand all began to distribute prasadam to the devotees with great pleasure. Text 209 to 215. Nana Pitha Pana Khai Akhantha Puriya Madhye Madhye Hari Kahe Anandita Hiya Bhojan Samapt Hail Kail Achaman सबारे पराइला प्रभु माल्य चंदन विश्राम करीते सबे निज वासा गेला संध्या काले आसी पुनः प्रभु के मिलिला हेन काले रामानंद आइला प्रभु स्थाने प्रभु मिलाइला तारे सब वैष्णव गणे सभा लैया गेला प्रभु जगन्नाथ आलय कीर्तन आरंभ तथा कैला महाशय संध्या धूप देखी आरंभिल संकीर्तन परीक्षा आसी सबारे दिला माल्य चंदन चारी दिखे चारी संप्रदाय करे न कीर्तन मध्य नृत्य करे प्रभु सचीर नंदन. Translation. They ate all kinds of cakes and sweet rice, filling themselves up to their throats, and at intervals they vibrated the holy names of the Lord in great jubilation. After everyone had finished his lunch and washed his mouth and hands, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu personally decorated everyone with flower garlands and sandalwood pulp. After thus accepting prasadam, they all went to take rest at their respective residences. And in the evening they again came to meet Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. At this time, Ramananda Rai also came to meet Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and the Lord took the opportunity to introduce him to all the Vaishnavas. The great personality of Godhead, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then took all of them to the temple of Jagannath and began the congregational chanting of the holy name there. After seeing the Dhupa Arti of the Lord, they all began congregational chanting. Then the Padicha, the inspector of the temple, came and offered flower garlands and sandalwood pulp to everyone. 4 parties were then distributed in 4 directions to perform Sankirtan, and in the middle of them the Lord himself, known as the son of Mother Sachi, began to dance. Text 216 to 225. अष्टमृदंग बाजे 32 करताल, हरिध्वनि करे सबे भले भाल भाल, कीर्तनेर ध्वनि महामंगल उठिल, चतुर्दश लोक भरी ब्रह्मांड भेदिल, कीर्तन आरंभे प्रेम उठली चलिला, नीलाचलवासी लोक धाइया आइला, कीर्तन देखी सबार मने हईल चमत्कार, कभू नाही देखी ऐचे प्रेमेर विकार, तबे प्रभु जगन्नाथेर मंदिर बेड़िया, प्रदक्षिणा करी बुलेन नर्तन करिया, आगे पाछे गान करे चारी संप्रदाय, आछाडेर काले धरे नित्यानंद राय, अश्रु पुलक कंप स्वेद गंभीर ओंकार, प्रेमेर विकार देखी लोके चमत्कार, पिचकारी धारा जिनी अश्रु नयने, चारी दिकेर लोक सब करे स्नाने, बेड़ा नृत्य महाप्रभु करी कतक्षण, मंदिरेर पाछे रही करे कीर्तन, चारी दिके चारी संप्रदाय उच्चैश्वरे गाय, मध्य तांडव नृत्य करे गौर राय. Translation. In the 4 groups there were 8 mridangas and 32 kartals. All together they began to vibrate the transcendental sound, and everyone said, "Very good, very good." When the tumultuous vibration of Sankirtan resounded, all good fortune immediately awakened, and the sound penetrated the whole universe through the 14 planetary systems. When the congregational chanting began, ecstatic love immediately overflooded everything, and all the residents of Jagannath Puri came running. Everyone was astonished to see such a performance of Sankirtan, and they all agreed that never before had Kirtan been so performed and ecstatic love of God so exhibited. At this time, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu circumambulated the temple of Jagannath and continuously danced about the whole area. As the circumambulation was performed, the 4 Kirtan parties sang in front and in the rear. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu fell down to the ground, Sri Nityananda Rai Prabhu lifted him up. While Kirtan was going on, there was a transformation of ecstatic love and much tears, jubilation, trembling, perspiration, and deep resounding in the body of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Upon seeing this transformation, all the people present became very much astonished. The tears from the eyes of the Lord came out with great force, like water from a syringe. Indeed, all the people who surrounded him were moistened by his tears. After circumambulating the temple, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu for some time remained at the rear of the temple and continued his Sankirtan. On all 4 sides, the 4 Sankirtana groups chanted very loudly, and in the middle, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu danced, jumping high. Text 226 to 234. Bahu kshana nritya kari Prabhu sthir haila, चारी महान तेरे तबे नाची ते आज्ञा दिला. एक संप्रदाय नाचे नित्यानंद राये, अद्वैत आचार्य नाचे आर संप्रदाय नाचे पंडित वक्रेश्वर, श्रीवास नाचे आर संप्रदाय भीतर। मध्य रही महाप्रभु करे न दर्शन, ताहा एक ऐश्वर्य तार हैल प्रकटन। चारी दिके नृत्य गीत करे जत जन, सबे देखे प्रभु करे आमारे दर्शन। चारी जनेर नृत्य देखिते प्रभुर अभिलाष, से अभिलाषे करे ऐश्वर्य प्रकाश। दर्शने आवेश तार देखी मात्र जने, के मने चौदिक देखे यहा नाही जाने। पुलीन भोजने जैन कृष्ण मध्य स्थाने, चौदिकेर सखा कहे आमारे निहाने। नृत्य करीते जय आयसे सन्निधाने, महाप्रभु करे तारे दृढ़ आलिंगने। Translation: After dancing for a long time, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu became still and ordered 4 great personalities to begin to dance. In one group, Nityananda Prabhu began to dance, and in another group, Advaita Acharya began to dance. Vakreshwar Pandit began to dance in another group, and in yet another group, Srivas Thakur began to dance. While this dancing was going on, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu watched them and performed a miracle. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu stood in the middle of the dancers, and all the dancers in all directions perceived that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was looking at them. Wanting to see the dancing of the 4 great personalities, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu exhibited this miracle of seeing everyone. Everyone who saw Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu could understand that he was performing a miracle, but they did not know how it was that he could see on all 4 sides. In his own pastimes in Vrindavan, when Krishna used to eat on the bank of the Yamuna and sit in the center of his friends, every one of the cowherd boys would perceive that Krishna was looking at him. In the same way, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu observed the dancing, everyone saw that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was facing him. When someone came nearby while dancing, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would tightly embrace him. Text 235 to 243. महानृत्य महाप्रेम महासंकीर्तन देखी प्रेमावेशे भासे नीलाचल जन। गजपति राजा सुनी कीर्तन महत्व, अट्टालिका चढ़ी देखे स्वगण सहित। कीर्तन देखिया राजा रहिल चमत्कार, प्रभु के मिलीते उत्कंठा बाड़ी लपार। कीर्तन समाप्ते प्रभु देखी पुष्पांजलि, सर्व वैष्णव लैया प्रभु आइला वासा चली। पड़ीछा आनिया दिला प्रसाद विस्तार, सबारे बाटिया तहा दिले न ईश्वर। सबारे विदाय दिला करीते शयन, एई मत लीला करे सचिर नंदन। जावत आछिला सबे महाप्रभु संगे, प्रतिदिन एई मते करे कीर्तन रंगे। एत कहिलो प्रभुर कीर्तन विलास, जेबा यह सुने है चैतन्य दास। श्री रूप रघुनाथ पदे जा रास, चैतन्य चरित्रामत कहे कृष्णदास। Translation: Upon seeing the great dancing, great love and great Sankirtan, all the people of Jagannath Puri floated in an ecstatic ocean of love. Hearing the greatness of the Sankirtan, King Pratap Rudra went up to the top of his palace and watched the performance with his personal associates. The king was very much astonished to see Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Kirtan, and the king's anxiety to meet him increased unlimitedly. After the Sankirtan ended, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu watched the offering of flowers to the Lord Jagannath deity. Then he and all the Vaishnavas returned to his residence. The superintendent of the temple then brought large quantities of prasadam, which Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu personally distributed to all the devotees. Finally, they all departed to rest in bed. In this way, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu the son of Sachi Mata, performed his pastimes. As long as the devotees remained at Jagannath Puri with Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the pastime of Sankirtan was performed with great jubilation every day. In this way, I have explained the Lord's pastimes of Sankirtan, and I bless everyone with this benediction. By listening to this description, one will surely become a servant of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Praying at the lotus feet of Sri Rupa and Sri Raghunath, always desiring their mercy, I, Krishnadas, narrate Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita, following in their footsteps. So here ends the 11th chapter of Madhya Leela of Sri Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita. Hari Bol, Dandavat Pranam.